This is a simple heavy-duty foil birds and squirrel deterrent for your garden. Simple to make. Heavy-duty foil. Loop a hole in the foil with a string and hang it from a tree or a pole. As you can see, as the wind picks up, the foil will twist and turn and prevent the squirrel from coming in your garden and the birds, because this foil will be moving, constantly moving. Birds, squirrel don't like noise and shiny objects. As you can see, here is the foil looped, and you can hear that noise. Listen to the noise. Do it yourself bird and squirrel deterrent for your garden. Here we go.